Hello, this is Mrs. Robleski. I am speaking about March 17th assignments. If you are receiving this message, it is because I have not heard from you from March 17th of the assignments, or you did part of the assignment. So some of you did a portion of it, but not the other part. So I'm just going to go through and explain what was expected for March 17th. So if you go to my module, you will see that says March 17th, March 17th, March 17th. So you open up the first one. It says functions of the skeletal system. And when you open that up, it brings you to a Google slideshow. So the Google slideshow looks like this. There's a 56 second, video. And it kind of goes through the different functions of the skeleton. Then you move on to where it says in Canvas, functions of the skeletal system discussion. And right there, it asks you to figure out which function of the skeletal system is the most important. Do you think it's the structure? Do you think it's protecting the organs? Do you think it is kind of the storage of the minerals? So you kind of go through and you just have to post. So you click reply right here and you post which one you think, and then I'm asking you to respond to one other person. And as you can see, there's a lot of students that have already responded, so you can just hit reply to one of theirs. So that's part of the assignment. Some of you just did that portion. Others of you did the other part, but I also need you to do one other thing. So if you go back to the modules again, you hit Glencoe Virtual Bone Lab. And when you get there, you are going to see the explanation. It says, watch my explanation now. So I went through and I kind of gave you an overview of what's going to happen on this virtual lab. And it talks about putting the bones into the skeleton and explains going through that. It also talks about the journal questions, which is what you need to turn into me. So you click on here, it says journal questions, and it asks you about 5 questions. And then if you can either take a screenshot of those or a picture with your camera of your actual screen, or some students are just typing the answers right onto a Google Doc and turning that in as well. So that is it for the assignment. There were 3 things. Kind of look at the notes, answer a reply to, or actually post and then reply to one person's discussion. And then there was a virtual bone lab that you had to complete and kind of submit the 5 questions. So again, you're receiving this message from me because I either got this part of your assignment or I got this part of your assignment and not this part, or I haven't heard from you at all on any of these. Hopefully you can get that done and I can mark it as complete instead of incomplete. Thank you very much. And if you have questions on my plan for STEM, if you are able to see this right here, you can see that this is what is expected of you for March 17th. If you have time on March 18th to look at these bones, and then tomorrow I will be posting your assignment for here. Again, this can be found right at the top of my module or my STEM page in Canvas. It says Robleski STEM Virtual. You click on that and it shows you what you need to do for the day. I'll also be posting dates right next to it, so there's no mistake of like what is expected on certain days. Hopefully this helps you, and I hope to see your assignment soon. Thank you.